Hello guys, welcome again to the live stream. Again, sorry for my connection. It's not the best again. 1 week more, 1 week more, and after that, I'm gonna get a decent connection. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin because I cannot be connected too much time. So okay, right now here for Bitcoin, the prediction is still to the downside. It's still I know US. Oh, but Bitcoin is pumping right now. No, this is like this, and that's it. I mean, this is like this. Okay. So be careful here because here, my friend, here you have a bull trap in progress. Okay, so be very careful with this. Now, as you can see here, there is no time. This is overextended here in 1 day chart for Bitcoin, and it's just about time Bitcoin just will drop. Mhm. Now, the key here is this: if 17K breaks, you will see full leg down to 16K and actually new lows. So if you are bullish for Bitcoin, 17K cannot break. Mhm. Any close below 17K, game over, and you will see continuation. And that's it. Actually, something I am expecting. Sorry, my cat is like crazy. Okay, so let's continue here in 4 hour chart here. And as you can see here, it's just about time here. It's just about time. Bitcoin in the next 24 hours, we will see a sell signal here, something like this, right? Something like this. And well, I think this is going to be the trigger for a continuation to the downside. So here, no, thank you. You asked me, okay, go long here 100x. No, thank you. No, this is not with me. And actually, if you see other pump here, yeah, or something, whatever, I don't care. Yeah, this area is going to be a sell. Actually from here right now from $17,000 for 200 to 400 your with your long position, right? Because you are bullish. Well, Bitcoin is the performance is terrible, so it's very bad. And for example, if I show you the 5 day chart here, we have a new close I think a few days ago. Yeah, and as you can see here, oh, we have bullish variance here. Yes, I mean potentially yes, Bitcoin could pump me a little bit more, but doesn't matter here. Uh, Even you see Bitcoin bouncing here to 19, 18K, for example, by the end of this month, whatever. Mhm. All the bounces you see for Bitcoin is about they are a sell. Doesn't matter because weekly chart is well, it's very bad too. So, oh, but there's a bullish variance. Yes, actually, there is a bullish variance, and right now at this point Bitcoin should be around maybe 20K right now. So careful here because I know the bullish variance is here, it's strong, but the thing here is like Bitcoin instead or pumping is just in sideways. And the reason is simple is because I think major I mean macro time frames they are playing right now, monthly by monthly, 3 months as a chart. And actually, let me be clear. Bitcoin is about to close one, two, three, four charts like they will tell us what is going to happen, or based on probabilities, of course, the next 2 years of price action. And I will tell you something. If you see Bitcoin at this price, 17K, yeah, it's going to be a sell. 2023 is going to be a sell. Yeah. So Bitcoin has just 2 weeks left. I will say 2 weeks, yeah, to see 25K at least. If we don't see Bitcoin about 25K in 2 weeks, I am pretty sure we will see the first real bear market for Bitcoin, and not because all the YouTubers they are saying that shit right now, right? No, it's something like I've been saying like actually since 2021, and I said if you see Bitcoin below 20K, well, get ready because 2023 is gonna be we will see a bounce, of course, but it's gonna be very bad. So right now here we see a bounce, yes, but doesn't matter. It's gonna be a sell. Now, you're trading here in 1 hour chart, 1 hour chart, because I know you bullish, right? Bullish. Be careful here because better divergence is forming here. So if we see other spike, I think we will see a spike here, maybe other 1,000, 17,300 around there. And when you see Bitcoin around this area is when you will see rejection, something like this. So right now I am in short around here. I don't care if I see Bitcoin 100 or 200 above my entry point. I don't care because uh, well, I am looking for this short. I am anticipating Bitcoin potentially will drop in the next 24 hours. So also because I am going to sleep, so I cannot just see. Mhm. Uh, yeah, sorry, my cat is crazy. I don't know. Okay, so never mind. So as you can see here, just get ready, okay? Get ready because I'm warning you. The bear market is not over, okay? The bear market is not over, and I think 2023 is gonna be potentially better. It's very hard to say. Honestly, I don't think so. The thing here is like we will see. Okay, I will not just touch the 12 hour, I mean 12-month chart. Just I'm gonna show you the 3-month chart. I think this is enough. And watch this. For first time in the history, right? You know, I like that word, that phrase resonate, right? This year, for first time in the history, right? For first time in the history. Well, Bitcoin is breaking and closing not just one candle. It's about to close two candles, and even better, below 20K. Yes, closing like this in January 1st is gonna be continuation. So that means even maybe I will be wrong, or maybe Q1 2023 will not see we will not see a rally, maybe not there, maybe in Q2, I think. So it depends. If we see this month, for example, Bitcoin crash to 10K, yes, for sure we will see Q1 in 2023 a rally, something like this. But if we see Bitcoin closing below 20K, for example, right now at this price, I think January, February, Bitcoin will keep crashing. March potentially the bottom, and after that maybe in summer, in spring and summer, maybe we will see the bull market again. When I say bull market, it's just going to be a macro bounce, and after that, short, short, and short, and short. I will keep shorting Bitcoin maybe at least 6 months of 2023. I think so, right? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin. Now, one thing here, UC dominance. Let's talk about UC dominance because it's doing something very interesting here. In one day chart, I want to show you the chart here and what. Let's see what we can expect for Bitcoin. 3 month chart, any close, well, in 2 weeks, right? About 8%, I would say 8%, maybe sideways of the test to maybe 10. And let me see the 1 day chart. Okay, 1 day chart here. Okay, this is bullish. This is bullish. Okay, this is like this. This is like this. I cannot be better sure. Yeah, it's gonna break. No, 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 no. Look at this. This is final buy signal here, like sideways, and other buy signal here in maybe Monday. You will see Bitcoin, sorry, you see dominance pumping here around this area, and you will see Bitcoin dropping. So it's just about time. Okay. So careful with your lungs because yeah, to the moon, right? To the moon, no, 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 no. I think Bitcoin and all the altcoins they will just keep crashing. Let me see the total two because right, total two, all the altcoins. We have the Bolus variance saying we have the Bolus variance. I can say this. If we don't see Bitcoin or DC dominance, sorry, Bitcoin pumping about 20K next week, I think we will see validation of the Bolus variance. I will get a stop in some altcoins. I don't care, honestly, for me, it's fine because it's risk management, right? So, but yeah, if we don't see, for example, Bitcoin pumping next week, I think Bitcoin will keep dropping. We can just say like we have invalidation in the weekly chart. Mhm. Now let's talk about the stock market. Okay, let me see here. Okay, get ready here because this is remember what I said like few days ago. I know for you it's looking bullish, but what you here you see here the. Let me see. Can you hear me? I don't know if my audio is good, is still good or not. Can you hear me still or not? Okay, guys, let me continue. Okay, let me see. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, perfect. Okay. Sorry. It's my laptop crazy. I don't know. The audio suddenly just gone. Please let me know if you cannot hear me. Okay. Okay. So sorry, I cannot check many icons right now because I said before I cannot connect to internet properly. I don't have my setup right now. The only thing I can tell you here is for the stock market is like this, right? I said like yesterday, not one week ago. So careful here because if we see break any close below 3,700, remember this number 700. By the end of the month, January 1st, you will see 2K or even lower prices for the stock market. I will start looking for in 2023 around 3,000 and 2,500. Yeah, I will start looking for here. One moment, let me. 1 second. Okay. Okay, sorry, my cat again. Okay, so let's continue with this. As you can see here, the prediction is like this. Remember the number 3,700, 3,700, and that is, I mean, game over for the stock market. At least, I will show you something. I don't want to scare you, but you have to be ready for this. 2 weeks left, okay? 2 weeks left, and any close below this point, yeah, 3,700, you see, 800. By the end of the month, December, this is gonna close as reversal, and if we see this close as reversal, you will see in the next something like this, maybe something like this, as you can see here, 2 or 3 years of bear market. That is something like I'm expecting. So if we see that, I don't know. I have no idea what is going to happen. What could happen for Bitcoin? I honestly, I don't know. Mm-hmm. So okay, so let me continue here. Let me see here a moment. Yeah, we have a better average forming here. So if we see this close, potentially we could see a signal. I'm telling you this like in a very long term because you know what? I am very tired. Like the TikTokers, all the internet is saying like, if you buy $500 per week in a stock market, blah 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 blah, and you will make a lot of money in the next 10 years. That is bullshit. Okay, is people newbies right talking about? They have no idea what they are talking about actually. So I am very tired. Honestly, I am using Twitter just 1 week, and I said, oh my god, I cannot do this anymore. Too many garbage. So the thing here is like all the people they are saying that maybe they are started buying here and that's why they are thinking that way. But let me show you something. In the past, even with this strong bull market, because yes, it's a bull market, right? We are still in bull market, stock market, in the stock market for SP 500, but that doesn't mean we have corrections. Let me show you here. In 2072, we have here 47% correction, and here let me show you here in 2000, yeah, we have here 50% correction, and also we have here other correction here in 2008, other 50% correction. So any close like this, we will see other 50% correction. So yeah, technically speaking, or even more actually, but something like this, a 50% correction is around 2,500. And where is the volume? The volume is here. Okay, so but because the volatility of the stock market is very low, that's why I don't like it. That's why I don't like to trade stock market, because it's so boring for me. I prefer Bitcoin. In average, you have to wait 3 years, 2 or 3 years. So this is the first year. So that means we'll have to wait maybe 2023 and 2024. Yeah. So that's why be careful here if you are thinking the bottom is in, because it's very innocent, especially when you see, wait for it, right? You see that this is going to be reversal, 3,700. But if we see the 6-month chart, for example, here for the stock market, this is, we have better variance here. We have sell signal here, a pullback, yeah, where is the MA55 around, well, 2,000, 2,200 around the bullish, yes. But that doesn't mean like we will see we could see 50% crashes maybe in the next 2 years. Okay, so just careful here. One thing I want to show you is a warning. For example, it's a good example when you see reversals. For example, if I show you Tesla, Tesla, to the moon, right? No, Tesla is garbage. Tesla is garbage. What is this, my friend? What is this? Bullish, right? All in, buy. Of course not. Watch this. I am very, very upset because I cannot connect to internet properly, because I think every day I will repeat just this every day to you, like, hey, careful, careful, careful. 2022, if I am right, we will remember this year when potentially Bitcoin broke the trend after 10 years and the stock market entered in a extended bear market. What is this? This is reversal. Yeah. So that means in the next 2 years, potentially we will see Tesla at $70, 70, even lower actually, 70, 80, around there. So you are thinking, to the moon, the bottom is in. My friend, please, okay? You can do this, open the chart, and instead of just wasting time in 1 hour chart, open 1 monthly, 6 months, and 3 months. We will have closes in 2 months, 3, 6, and 12, or 1 year, and the yearly, in 2 weeks. Okay, so all of them, they are telling you reversal. Okay, Bitcoin 500,000 2023. No, actually, I will tell you something, but I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin actually crashed all the way down to even $7,000 in 2023. So have to see this first. I am expecting a bounce, yes, 10k. You're halving. This could be your halving, and after that, to the moon, right? So interesting. I cannot wait for it. So far for me, this year is one of the best years. Bear market, so easy, honestly. Shorting. But okay, so let's continue. I have just some minutes to see other coins. Let me see if I can see. If you have any coin, altcoin, please let me know. Okay. Someone asked me about Quant. Let me see Quant. I don't know why you're obsessed with this coin. All the altcoins will keep crashing. Okay, be careful here. Okay, weekly chart. Quant. Let me see here, because if I see, I have more data here. Okay, I have more data here in KuCoin. Okay, perfect. Okay, so it's testing, 110. Any close 110, you will see 50. Okay. Now, how is the time? The time you will have to wait other 3 months, maybe March. If you see Quant holding in the long term, I will start looking for maybe around 30. But the key here is 100. Any close below there, game over. Okay. So right now here in weekly chart, you will have to wait maybe other 2 months, 2 or 3 months, and in the monthly. Let me see the monthly. Well, I don't have that on the monthly, but this is very easy. This price action is very easy. Any close below 100, for example, right? Imagine if you see Quant closing below 100 in 2 weeks. Well, 2023, you will see your next Bitcoin at 50 or even 30. Okay, so well, that's it. Okay, let me see. Okay, 4 hour euro. Okay, let me see if I have time, because as I said, my connection is very bad. Okay, 4 hours chart, I think, right? Because you are trading short term. What I said, well, as you see, the projection is to the downside. Okay, right, as you can see here, it will take time because the volatility is very low, so we have bullish averagings there. So area maybe some point. But now they are selling Cardano because they launch stable coins, blah blah blah. I don't care. Okay. Show me the chart and I will tell you the news. Okay, the chart of Cardano is garbage, and that's it. Also, the chart of Solana is garbage too. We have bullish averages, yes. But the problem with this bullish average, same as Bitcoin, is in a place where there is no volume. So you want to see real volume. I'm using Confluence, of course, the price action. It should be around $4. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see potentially yes.
So I want to see Bitcoin crash in this month, honestly. I will be very happy, for example, if we see Christmas and Bitcoin at 10K or something like that. It will be amazing because finally we can expect like to Q1 2023. Finally, we will see a major bounce, maybe 25, 27, almost, yeah, something like that around there. Bitcoin will bounce, but even with that, it's going. Right now, it depends on Bitcoin. It's very important. If you see Bitcoin if you see Bitcoin breaking 16K, I would say reversals in monthly. So you'll see something like this because, well, monthly for first time in the history is gonna be bearish. Okay, keep in mind this. Yeah, yeah, and be careful with your altcoins. I know you love that. I mean, I don't know why people they like to get married with the altcoins. I know some people they are married with Solana, other people with